Friends, as I had promised you to draw this pot, which is almost round shaped, right? Whenever you see, you remember a pot, you remember the roundness, that is the circle part of the pot, right? What you have seen is, I have made a planning here in the corner. Always plan out what you want to draw first, okay? Then divide it into various parts. As I had explained to you before, the various parts of a pot, the mouth, then the neck, then the shoulder part, then stomach or belly, then part which is below. The stomach can come up to this, right? Then first before that, just sketch it like this. Sketch. See, this has got a big stomach, a round stomach, circular. So first you should always don't lift your hand. Just do a sketch. Okay. Not satisfied, and again you do it. Keep on drawing the sketch. Don't without lifting your arm. Don't lift your hand. Okay. That improves your eye-hand coordination. Then divide these parts in lines, then blend the ends and make a pot. Okay. Here you can see this pot looks like a model, very slender and beautiful, ready for a ramp walk. You can have to plan it. As I told you, you can put the date, okay, roll number, whatever you can write. Date along with date is a must. Okay? Then draw a middle like how you draw here. Plan it out first. First sketch. How will you sketch? First the mouth. Then you can see it's got a slender neck. Then a shoulder which is like this, somewhat like this. Then you have a tall body. Right. Friends, if you have to draw a pot like this, I have practiced this many times. You have to practice first. First of all, you will have to do the pre-sketching of any pot. See, this goddess. See, don't lift your hand, okay? Not circle. It's something like this, right? Do a pre-sketching of this so that you will get a feel of this pot about the outline. Then blend first, draw a middle line, plan it as I had instructed before. Then make the contour right. Contour means outline. Right. Blend the corners, ends properly, and remove the unwanted lines. You have to practice again and again. And then this gives 2D effect, 3D rendering we can learn later. Right? You have to practice until times. How will you draw this? Is first you make a middle line, center line, mouth, then full mouth, okay? Neck, if it is this much long. Then comes the shoulder. Then below you have the bottom of the glass. Pot. Okay, pot or vase, you can call it vase. Now, make an oval here. Now, you have neck here, this side, draw with straight lines first. When you draw, you can see if the left side and the right side are same because it's a symmetrical pot, right? Yes. If I find something is wrong somewhere, then you can easily make out. You can always make corrections. Nobody is going to put you behind bars. And it's not a crime to draw a wrong drawing. Our goal will be to draw a correct drawing, right? Inside, later we'll learn to create depth. So that's all for now. This is how you draw. Now let me not wind up. I didn't teach you to blend, right? Blend the ends like this. Blend it here. Slight curve, very slight curve. And wherever there are curves, you give a darker shade. Okay, darker line to make it look more beautiful. And then this is one oval, another oval, slightly lower than that. This will be slightly lower than that, and this will be broadest one of all. Inside one you can't see unless it's a transparent glass. Inside part won't be seen. But if you draw the full oval, then rub it, it will be better because your drawing will be correct. Afterwards, you remove, my God, this rubber eraser will become black. Rub out all the unwanted lines. Okay, all the unwanted lines should be rubbed. Yes. Then make use of tissues to clean. So your pot is ready. Meet you again in the next class and we'll learn about 2Ds. What's a 2D and what's a 3D and what is meant by rendering and how you add tonal values to make it a beautiful 3D object like this. We will learn in the next class. Till then, meet you again in the next video. Till then, Shubhadinam.